Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I want to show you how to purchase your own cryptocurrency ETF in Canada. Before I start this video, I want to talk a little bit about what crypto ETF is, how it works, and what are different kind of ETF that you can check out, especially if you are Canadian. So crypto ETF or exchange traded fund is a fund that is made of cryptocurrency, and it is listed on stock exchange, and it essentially tracks the price of a particular cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Ethereum or a group of cryptocurrencies. I have listed out some of the cryptocurrency ETF that you can check out in Canada. I'm going to do a detailed video in future where I talk more in depth about each one of them. So essentially what I have is the Purpose Bitcoin ETF, Evolve Bitcoin ETF, CI Galaxy Bitcoin ETF, 3IQ CoinShares Bitcoin ETF, 9 Point Bitcoin ETF. So as of now, there are two platforms that you can check out if you want to purchase a cryptocurrency ETF. The first one is Questrade, and then the second one, which is my personal favorite, is Wealthsimple Trade. So for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to purchase an ETF using Wealthsimple. Wealthsimple is one of my favorite platform for Canada because it is very easy to use. They have lowest fees, so I really like that about it. So first thing you need to do is have an account with Wealthsimple. If you don't have an account, you can click Get Started, enter all your information, follow the prompts, enter your KYC. Once everything is set up, once everything is verified, you can move to the next step, which is to purchase the ETF. I already have an account with Wealthsimple Trade, so I logged in, and this is my Wealthsimple Trade account. So what you're going to do is add funds into your account, which is the first step. So to do that, first thing you're going to do is click Move Funds and then click Add Funds. Next, you will get a prompt. So over here under the prompt section, you can choose your bank account. If you have not entered your bank account information, you're going to get a prompt saying add a bank account. So you have to connect it to any of your banking system that you use in Canada, whether it's a Scotiabank, TD Bank, RBCs, stuff like that. So you're going to select your bank, add it over here, and then you're going to select into. So I want to deposit this money into my personal account. So I would just click that as personal, and then you're going to enter the amount of money you want to deposit. So I will put that as 500, and you're going to click continue and follow the prompts. I don't really want to do that right now, but that's essentially how you would go about adding money into your Wealthsimple Trade account. And once you have the money in your account, the next step would be to go under the search tab and search for the ticker symbol of your ETF. So one of the first and the largest ETF in Canada is the Purpose Bitcoin ETF. So I'm going to search for that. So the ticker symbol is BTCC.B. And as you can see, it's the Purpose Bitcoin ETF CAD ETF non-currency hedged units. So over here, you can see the performance, the price chart, and when you scroll through it, you'll have a bit more information about the bid price, the ask price, the last sale, the open, the high, low exchange. It's in Toronto Stock Exchange, the market cap that it has, what was the 52-week high, the 52-week low, the volume, the average volume, the returns. So everything is mentioned over here, and this fund has been created to buy and hold substantially all of its assets in long-term holdings of Bitcoin, and seeks to provide holders of ETF units with the opportunity for long-term capital appreciation. You can also click over here if you want to add this ETF on your watch list and see how the price performs. And over here, we're going to place an order. So first thing you're going to do is select your trade account. So I'm going to click personal account because that's where I want my money to be transferred from. Next, you're going to select your order type. So we have market buy, limit buy, stop limit buy. If you want to learn a bit more about how each one of them works, you're going to click learn more. So market buy is usually when the order is placed at the best available price in the market. In limit buy, you're going to choose the highest price per share that you will be willing to pay, and then you're going to enter the number of shares you want to purchase, and your order will only be fulfilled if the market price is at or below your limit. And then we have stop limit buy, where you're going to choose the price for the stock or the stop price, and once the price reaches the stop price, your order will be converted into a limit buy. So these are some of the options. Go through it, but for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to stick to market buy. So next, you have to enter the number of shares you want to buy, whether you want to buy 1 share, 2 shares, you can input it over here. And if all of this looks good to you, you're going to click buy and follow the prompts. I don't really want to do that right now, but that's essentially how you can purchase a cryptocurrency ETF in Canada. So this is a common question, whether I should get an ETF or whether I should actually go and get that particular cryptocurrency. When you buy a single cryptocurrency, you have to worry about storing them properly, like having a cold storage, hot wallet, cold wallet, and all of that. However, when you own an ETF, you still get an exposure to crypto world, and your cryptocurrency cryptocurrencies are stored in cold wallets, so it makes it secure as well. So if you don't want to have the extra work of ensuring your cryptocurrencies are safe and secure, you can check out Crypto ETF. Also, ETF can be stored in tax sheltered account like an RRSP or TFSA. So that way you can protect your gains and reinvest any sort of tax savings. However, when you buy a cryptocurrency, you have to store them in your own personal account. There is no tax sheltered account as of now where you can store your cryptocurrencies. Currently, only Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF are available in the market. And if you are somebody out there who wants to have access to different sort of coins like Matic, Solana, it's better off if you go and actually purchase a certain cryptocurrency. In my experience, I have been trading cryptocurrencies for quite some time, so I'm quite comfortable with holding a particular cryptocurrency. So it would actually depend on your situation. So always do your own research. Whatever is more comfortable for you, you can choose that path. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe. If you do have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and I shall get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye.